Welcome, students, to this introduction to Foundations Religion 261 LDS Family History. I look forward to studying this wonderful topic with you this semester, and I think we'll learn a lot together. To introduce myself, my name is Brett Smith. Just so you know, I'm a convert to the church. Professionally, I'm a lawyer and an author. In connection with our topic, I have 40 years of experience in genealogy research. I've been a presenter at workshops at genealogy seminars and also have been a temple and family history consultant where I've had the opportunity to teach classes on research methods, research methodology, and especially the doctrine behind family history and temple work. My research focus has always been on North America in the 19th and early 20th centuries. As a convert, I wanted to go to the temple. And I wanted to take the names of my ancestors there as well. When I started doing the temple work for my ancestors, I hoped that they would accept it. I felt like I was bringing the gospel to them. I'd found something wonderful, and I wanted them to find it too. Later on, however, I found that I had it all backwards. I was not bringing the gospel to them. They had brought it to me. Now, why do I say that? Elder Melvin J. Ballard of the Quorum of the 12 Apostles, the grandfather of our current President Ballard, he once asked this question: why is it that sometimes only one of a city or household receives the gospel? Why was I the only one in my family to join the church? This was his answer. It was made known to me that it is because the righteous dead who have received the gospel in the spirit world are exercising themselves, and in answers to their prayers, elders of the church are sent to the homes of their posterity. Similarly, one writer has said, we often wonder if our ancestors will accept the gospel. Ironically, in many instances, they accepted it before we did. Their prayers and faithfulness have brought the gospel into our lives instead of the other way around. My ancestors found the gospel first. Then they prayed. They wanted someone in their posterity to find it as well. And missionaries were sent to find me. Do we ever doubt that our own ancestors would have accepted the gospel? Listen to what President Lorenzo Snow said. When the gospel is preached to the spirits in prison, the success of that preaching will be far greater than that of the preaching of our elders in this life. I believe there will be very few indeed of those spirits who will not gladly receive the gospel when it is carried to them. The circumstances there will be 1,000 times more favorable. But then, aren't our ancestors somewhere else? Don't they have other things to do? Why would they be interested in us? Let's listen to what President Joseph F. Smith said. Surely those who have passed beyond can see more clearly through the veil back here to us than it is possible for us to see to them from our sphere of action. We are not separated from them. We are closely related to our kindred, to our ancestors, to our friends and associates and co-laborers who have preceded us into the spirit world. We live in their presence. They see us. They are solicitous for our welfare. They love us now more than ever. In conclusion, our ancestors accepted the gospel, probably long ago. The hearts of the fathers have been turned to the children, to us. They have long been waiting to receive the ordinances, which they helped us obtain. They want the hearts of the children to turn to the fathers. It's up to us to turn the key in the lock to let them out of the prison by taking their names to the temple. When we do that, then the scripture can be fulfilled, for the prisoners shall go free. Thank you for listening. I look forward to seeing you in class.